welcome back to the channel. We are at Bobblehead Homestead again today because we're trying to get some work done and clean up the property, and we wanted to spend a few days with Grumpy so he can get used to this property before we release him and so he doesn't run away or anything. So today is the day to release him. He's done sitting in the cage and we're gonna let him out, and then we're gonna hang out at the property and keep cleaning so he can get used to being out while we're here, and hopefully that's enough to keep him around.
He watched us all day yesterday, so.
So here's the official release. You ready, man?
Grumpy!
Yeah.
Oh, he's so happy to be out. Oh, I'm happy that he's not running off. Come here, Maverick. Come here.
So happy.
It's awesome.
Let's not choose anything that's gonna scare him.
Oh, he's so happy.
Dog got bigger.
Yeah. Wow.
I know how it feels, Belle. Grumpy is so happy and he's loving all over
yeah.
us. He is so happy to be out of that cage.
He was in there for, what, 3 or 4 days total?
This is so cool. We've never seen him this friendly.
Grumpy!
Here, watch out, little man.
He's gonna start exploring now.
Explore all day long. Yep. Wow.
Red leaf.
Cool.
Yeah. Find a penny, pick it up. You're gonna have good luck all day, Maverick.
Yeah.
Now while Grumpy is walking around getting used to the place, and it's so cool, he's just walking everywhere meowing and checking everything out and scratching rugs. It's so fun to watch him. Well, we're going to be working on this. Yesterday we were working on the barn shed thing over here. I want to keep going on that, but we're going to take a break because this is up by the road and it's right in the middle of the chicken area. The dumpster's filling up super fast and we don't know how much room we're going to have, so we're going to take this structure apart and hopefully get this out of here before it's too late. You can check it out. It's like super messy.
Yeah, there's a lot of garbage in here too. Nasty. Look at the ceiling. Ew.
So the plan is... I see a stick bug right here. Wow.
Oh yeah! Stick bug.
That is awesome. So here's the plan. This is mostly vinyl, and so we're going to take it apart. We're going to take all the walls down, and we're going to be left with a pile of garbage on the ground, and then it's just clean up.
And this is just a frame. It's like a metal frame.
Aluminum, so we'll see. This thing is getting super scary. It's wobbling. Check this out. It just wobbles.
Yeah, we took all the vinyl off of it and the windows.
So it's going to come down any minute, but it's coming along. Look at it. I mean, it's really not that big of a project anymore. It looks okay. I'm going to try to keep taking wood off. This is all aluminum. I'm going to try to save that for scrapping. But we got to get the roof off it. That's where all the weight is right now.
Yeah, Yeah, that's a good feeling for me, and you did all the work.
Look, there's a paint bucket on
Oh,
top.
Yeah.
thank you.
Now we gotta clean it up.
Yep.
Yeah.
So here's the progress so far. We took down the frame, we took it all apart, we pile it over there.
Since I'm already dirty and we're already destructing things and breaking stuff down, I think I'm gonna try to take down this room. Not the whole structure, just this one section of it. I don't know how well it's gonna go. We're just gonna try the roof first and then the walls. So let's see how hard it is. Clear below, right?
Doug got all of the roof metal off. There's some leaning right there. And here's the rest of it. And now he's gonna start taking apart the wood,
Hopefully.
because we want to take this whole part down. What's the matter? Are you stuck in here?
Yeah, totally. We got done so much work today. I'm so happy with the progress. I am drenched with sweat and I'm just worn out. We're about to call it a night, but this last wall has to come down before I leave. We tore down the other building out front. That's looking better. Now we got down a whole room of this old shed. And this is the most dangerous part, so I'm so happy to see this being taken down. Let's pull this wall down and call it quits. Whoa! That was dusty.
Dude, you broke my shed housing.
Well guys, that's all I have left in me today. I'm worn out and ready to take a break.
It's hot out, sweaty, dirty, worn out.
We got done a ton and it was just a big group effort. We did so good. The dumpster's nearly full. This is leveled out. There's a lot of wood to sort through. I don't know, we got a little bit more to do, but that's all we got for today. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. And until next time, take care.
Bye.
Val? Come here.
Let's just walk it over.
Where is it?
On your back.
Val,
It's at the bottom of your shirt.
look at my back.
A walking stick. A huge one. I've never seen one before.
Isn't that awesome?
Sure you don't want to put on a peach tree? Or on a tree? Walking sticks like to hide in the branches.
Maybe you could put it on the gourds.
Yeah, over here on the gourds. That's a good spot.